In today's video, I'll teach you how to create TopCashback account. Creating the TopCashback account is very simple. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in this link topcashback.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of TopCashback. You can see over here you'll be able to join for free. All you have to do is enter your email address and create the password for yourself. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. Now once you do that, click on the field of password. Now what you have to do is simply create a very strong password for yourself. You have to use upper and lowercase letters, at least 8 characters, at least 1 number and at least 1 symbol. So create the password accordingly. Now what you have to do is click on this option, where did you hear about us? Now click on the option of your choice. Now click on this option, join free, that you can see on the screen. Now simply go through the CAPTCHA verification. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So that is how you create TopCashback account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.